Hi, today we're going to be looking at something that I've been working on for the past few months, and I'm honestly excited to finally share it with you. So, this is ID8Sketch, a web app I built specifically for artists, hobbyists, aspiring designers, and professional designers who want to take their ideas from rough concepts to refined designs without getting bogged down by technical drawing. I created ID8Sketch because I realized something. The most creative phase of design, ideation, is often slowed down by all the technical steps that come with perspective, construction, and rendering. And if you're like me, when inspiration hits, you want to sketch freely. You want to explore shapes, silhouettes, and ideas without worrying about whether your vanishing points are correct. So the vision behind ID8Sketch is simple. Let creativity flow without interruption. I wanted to build an AI companion that enhances your intuition rather than replacing your creativity. Something that takes care of the tedious technical labor so you can stay locked into form, function, and innovation. Here's where it gets really cool. ID8Sketch understands the geometry and semantics of whatever you upload. That means if you give it a rough scribble or a loose thumbnail, the system reconstructs it. Mathematically consistent, clean industrial design perspective. It basically translates your intuition into a proper design sketch. But I didn't want to build just another image generator. I wanted to recreate a real studio workflow. So the app doesn't just give you a final render and call it a day, it gives you a pipeline. You can start with a base sketch with adjustable line weights, then generate multi-view orthographic projections, and finally push it all the way to photorealistic renders. It mimics the flow of a real design studio, but compressed into a few minutes instead of hours. So whether you're an industrial designer, a car designer, a student, or someone who just loves sketching and wants to get better, this tool is meant to level up your process. Think of it as your digital sketch partner. I've put a lot of time into refining this, and seeing ideas come to life through ID8Sketch has been incredibly motivating. As you can see, this is a rough sketch of a concept SUV, and my goal is to briefly demonstrate the process of ID8Sketch. Your line work doesn't necessarily need to be refined to get a good result, but, it helps to have a well-defined sketch. But that's the winning factor of the app. It lets you focus on your creativity, and then takes care of the perspectives for you in seconds. From here on, I'm going to upload the sketch, and the app will open a new sketch card with my sketch attached. This will then activate 3 visual sketch options, such as pencil, marker, and digital sketching. But in this demonstration, I am going to try digital sketching and then hit the generate button. And there you have it, a clean digital sketch render of the original sketch without altering your design. Every line work stays intact, as you can see when I interchange between the 2 images. Now, if you are satisfied with the results, you can proceed to the next phase below, where all the cool stuff happens. This is where you can generate additional views, 6 additional views to be precise. But let's try a 3/4 front view, and as you can see, the app generates a clean professional sketch with all the correct perspectives and proportions. So, from a basic side profile view sketch to a refined 3/4 front view sketch in just a few seconds. Now let's render our preferred sketch into a photorealistic render. And look at that, a complete design from a quick sketch I did a few minutes ago, and an almost perfect render with correct studio lighting and environment, photorealistic rims and tires, and clean surfacing of the car. And check this out, I can also grab and work with the previously generated sketch, but this time I am going to select the marker sketch style option and hit the generate button once again. And there you have it, a marker style sketch without changing your initial design and/or proportions. Now let's scroll down a bit, and this time I am going to generate a 3/4 back view marker sketch. And again, there you have it, a beautiful sketch from your single rough initial sketch, ready to develop further according to your needs. So to recap, you can start with a rough sketch, and from there, ID8Sketch will process the rest of the sketch views for you without losing your initial concept design intentions. I'd love for you to try it out, play around with it, and let me know what you think. Your feedback is going to help shape where this platform goes next. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with Ideate Sketch.